How to clean an Apple Watch. Apple Watch has become the world's most popular smartwatch, and it's used in a wide range of environments and activities. An Apple Watch can collect too much debris around the digital crown, for example, causing it to get stuck. A 2020 experiment found a smartwatch to be dirtier than a smartphone, gaming controller, or keyboard, and 37 times dirtier than your toilet seat. Yuck! All that dirt, dust, dead skin, and sweat still hides in the crevices of your watch, and it can even interfere with your Apple Watch's performance. Fortunately, it's easy to quickly disinfect your smartwatch or fitness tracker and its strap using items you probably already have in your home. Watch this video to see how to easily clean your Apple Watch or Fitbit. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to preparing your Apple Watch for cleaning the watch casing and digital crown, and cleaning the band. Now let's get started. Method 1. Preparing your Apple Watch for cleaning. Number 1. Turn off the Apple Watch. Press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the power off position. Number 2. Remove the watch from any charger or power source. You will need to access both facings of the Apple Watch for disassembly and thorough cleaning. Moisture from the cleaning process can cause problems with the charger. If your Apple Watch is updating while charging, do not remove the watch for cleaning until the update is completed. Number 3. Remove the band from the watch. There are a variety of types of bands available for the Apple Watch, but most are removed by pressing the band release button located on the rear of the watch, adjacent to the band. Slide the band across to remove it. If you are using a link bracelet, locate the quick release button on one of the bracelet links on the inside of the band. Pull the links apart and the band will separate into two pieces. Then remove the band using the release buttons located on the rear of the watch casing. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Cleaning the watch casing and digital crown. Number 1. Clean your Apple Watch thoroughly if the touch screen or digital crown are unresponsive. A few smudges on the screen can be wiped away quickly and won't necessarily require an extensive cleaning. You should clean your Apple Watch after activities that expose the watch to significant amounts of sweat, lotion, sand, dirt, or other particulate. For casual, daily use, you should only need to clean your Apple Watch once every few weeks. Number 2. Separate the watch casing from the other Apple Watch components. Make sure your Apple Watch is not attached to the charger and that you have removed the watch bands. Number 3. Wipe the surface of the Apple Watch casing with a cleaning cloth. Use a non-abrasive, lint-free, and/or microfiber cleaning cloth for the best results. If your Apple Watch is exceptionally dirty, you can slightly dampen the cloth before wiping the casing. If you want your Apple Watch to be especially clean, or if the digital crown is sticking and unresponsive, you should hold the watch casing under flowing, lukewarm, fresh water. Allow the water to flow over the digital crown for 10 to 15 seconds. Turn and press the digital crown continuously while the water flows over the small gap between the watch casing and the digital crown. Number 4. Dry the surface of the Apple Watch with a non-abrasive, lint-free cloth. If you used water to clean your Apple Watch casing and digital crown, you should also allow the watch to air dry before reattaching the band or placing the watch on the charger. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Cleaning the band. Number 1. Wipe the band with a non-abrasive, lint-free, and/or microfiber cloth. If necessary, dampen the cloth with fresh water before wiping the band. If the band requires more thorough cleaning, apply a drop of dish soap to the band, spreading it out with your fingers or a non-abrasive, lint-free and/or microfiber cloth. Depending on the band material, you might try alternative methods for cleaning your Apple Watch band. Apple Watch sports bands are made from a material called fluoroelastomer. This material reacts negatively to alcohol. Avoid allowing your fluoroelastomer band from coming in contact with rubbing alcohol, alcohol-based hand sanitizers, and Lysol. Metal bands should not be cleaned with any kind of cleaning agent, including soap, not specifically designed for anodized metals. Simply wipe the band with a non-abrasive, lint-free/microfiber cloth. If your metal watch band is especially dirty, you may dampen the cloth or use a soft bristle toothbrush to scrub away grime and dirt. Number 2. Create a baking soda solution to clean silicone or rubber bands. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda in a bowl, slowly adding water until it becomes a thick paste. Apply the paste to the band and allow it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse the band under lukewarm water until the paste is removed. This baking soda solution can also remove stains from the band and eliminate odor. Number 3. Clean a leather band with leather cleaner and/or conditioner. Apply a small amount of the leather cleaner and/or conditioner to a non-abrasive cloth. Rub the cloth against the band in a circular motion. After the cleaner/conditioner has been applied, buff it out by repeating the circular motion with a clean non-abrasive, lint-free and/or microfiber cloth. Leather bands are sensitive to water and heat. Limited contact with water will be fine if the leather is subsequently dried, but you should not soak a leather band in water. You should also avoid storing or drying a leather band in direct sunlight, high temperatures, or high humidity. Number 4. Soak nylon or other waterproof bands in warm, soapy water. Fully submerge the waterproof band in a bowl of lukewarm, fresh water and a drop of mild dish soap. Allow the band 10 to 30 minutes of soaking time before removing it from the bowl of soapy water. For a very thorough cleaning, remove the band from the water and use a soft bristle toothbrush to gently scrub the band to remove grime. Number 5. Dry the band with a non-abrasive, lint-free and/or microfiber cloth. If the watch band has retained water or remains moist, allow it to air dry. Air drying a watch band may take several hours depending on the material and method you have chosen. If the watch band is leather or metal, you should allow it to air dry overnight before reattaching it to your Apple Watch. Number 6. Reattach the band to your Apple Watch casing. Hold down the band release button located on the Apple Watch casing adjacent to where the band is attached. Slide the band back into place until you hear a click. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Never submerge the entire watch in water. Apple advertises that the Apple Watch is water resistant, but it is not waterproof. 2. If you clean the watch and band extensively, and still find that it leaves an odor on your wrist, you might try deodorants that are specifically made for hands and arms. 3. Clean your Apple Watch band once a week to avoid unpleasant odor from the watch band or your wrist. If an odor persists, consider changing the material type of your watch band. 4. Keep your Apple Watch, along with your skin, clean and dry to maximize comfort and prevent long-term damage to the watch. 5. Be sure to clean your Apple Watch after a workout or any time it may be exposed to significant amounts of sweat, soap, sunscreen, or lotion. Warnings. 1. If you have known allergies or sensitivities to metals or plastics, be aware of the materials in each Apple Watch casing and band. 2. The manual for the Apple Watch states that the device's oil repellent coating will wear away over time. To avoid this and to prevent other cleaning issues, you may want to purchase a screen protector for your display. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.